Better number this, make it really easy. Let's count by 8s. Not as cool as the junior t-shirts though. Does that look about right? So if we're talking about the slope of this line, 0 t-shirts is $0. What's the rate of increase or the rate of change for every t-shirt that you buy? 8. And so we can measure that, right, with our rise and our run. If we go up 8 and we go over 1. So we're going up 8 over 1. And just like you guys said, 8 over 1. So that's going to be our rate of change. 8. What's nice about the slope formula or about using rise over run is it doesn't matter at all where you do the measurements from. We can take our measurements from here to here. How far are we going up right here? 16. And how far are we running? 2. So if we do our rise over our run, we end up with and let's put that equation right in there for number 5. What did we assume the equation was going to be? The x variable, this is your variable key right here. It's next to the alpha. Now before we hit graph, I'd recommend hitting the zoom button. And if you scroll down to zoom standard, that's going to give us that 10 to negative 10 window on the x-axis, and then it's going to go down on the y-axis to negative 10 and up to positive 10. So if you hit zoom standard, we should get, is that what yours looked like when you graphed it?
Yep.
So you had it right? That was the equation. So now you can go through and check each of your equations to see if they match the picture that you have. Or if you have the equation, then does it fit the picture? Can we use the calculator to check the table? What do we have to hit? So you guys started at -2, right? There it is. -2, output 7. -1, output to 5. 0, output to 3. So now you can go back and you can look at the tables that you made and make sure that they match the equations that you filled out. So if you have a graph that didn't come out quite right, as in it's not a straight line, go back and double check it. Now I like that because he's making sure that he doesn't mess things up when they get into the formula, right? Because 3 of the numbers are 1 or -1. So once you start going, if you're not paying attention, it can be easy to get them confused. Look good. What do you think?
Looks great.
Yes?
Yeah.
All right.